We are the organized kids.
We teach you how to organize.
And we have fun.
We're going to show you how we empty the dishwasher.
When you empty the dishwasher, do the bottom one first. All the plates where the plates go. Put all of the bowls where the bowls go. Put all of the silverware as the silverware. If you don't know where something goes, just put it on the counter so your pans can help. Make sure everything goes back where it belongs so you can find it and use it.
Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every Tuesday.